So I've been spending a lot of time on YouTube trying to figure out how to grow my online business. Like many of you, I watch tons of videos in this space, and you know that almost every YouTuber says the same thing: finding a winning product is key. And yeah, that makes sense. People want value, right? But here's the thing I have learned: finding the perfect product does not mean anything if your suppliers is garbage. I'm talking about terrible suppliers, that one who leaves you hanging with slow shipping, no replies to your messages, and most importantly, poor quality product. I have been there, done that, and let me tell you, it's tough to stay motivated when customers are unhappy and you can't even build a store foundation for the future. Sound familiar? You're probably in the same boat, right? Well, I had an idea, one evening that changed everything. What if I could cut out the middleman and go straight to the source, the real big players? What if I could talk directly to the big guys and avoid all the hassle of unreliable suppliers? And that's exactly what I did, and the answer is I found was madeinchina.com. Now I will be real with you, I'm not expecting some magic pill. I have been warned by the so-called best sourcing platforms, but the more I looked into madeinchina.com, the more it started making sense. First off, the site is like a legit plug to the manufacturers themselves. No city resellers, no inflated prices, no weird communication barriers. It's directed and transparent just the way it should be. And the moment I landed on their homepage, I was surprised by how clean and easy it was to navigate. No clutter, no confusion, you just start browsing and boom, there's everything you need. I dived into their categories and bro, they have got everything: electronics, home goods, clothing, industrial equipment, even stuff that would help me upgrade my YouTube studio, like if I wanted to build a full-on Mr. Beat level setup. I'm joking, but I could literally do that through madeinchina.com. And what hit me the most through was how beginner friendly it is. You are not forced to buy 500 units just to get started. They offer smaller MOQs, means minimum order quantities, which is a game changer for someone testing the waters. And let's face it, nobody wants to drop $5,000 inventory only to end up with a garage full of unsold junk. Another thing I love is how easy it is to communicate. You can send messages directly to suppliers, ask for samples, negotiate pricing, talk about customization. It's all super smooth. Unlike other sites where you send a message and hear back 4 days later, if ever, this is real time. And this really saved me so much time and helped me make decisions faster. So first up, let's talk about this thing called RFQ, means request for quotation. It's like the dating app version of sourcing. You just tell the site what products you are looking for, what specification you need, how many units, and boom, verified suppliers hit you up with offers. It feels so efficient, like instead of me changing the right products can come to me. This especially helped when I was looking for more custom stuff or niche gadgets for my YouTube deck setup. Then I stumbled upon something wild: live factory tours and video showroom. The actual walkthrough of real factory stream online. I could literally sit on my bed and see how the product were being made in real time. No sketchy photos, no fake 3D renders, actual workers, actual production lines. That made it feel more legit than just clicking on a product image and hoping for the best. And here's something most people never bring up: global trade show integration. Now, if you're not familiar, the Canton Fair is massive. It's China's largest and most influential trade fair, officially known as the China Import and Export Fair. We were talking about tens of thousands of suppliers showcasing millions of products across industries like electronics, machinery, textiles, home goods, and more. Basically, it's the place where serious global trade deals go down. But here's the coolest part: madeinchina.com has a strong partnership with the Canton Fair, which means they have figured out how to bring that entire experience online for buyers like us who can't just hop on a plane to China. Inside the platform, you can actually browse a dedicated Canton Fair section, check out virtual booths, view product catalogs in real time, and even connect directly with suppliers who are physically present at the fair. It's like having a VIP pass to one of the world's biggest trade shows without the travel costs, jet lag, or hotel booking. I even matched with a few suppliers who were actively soaking at the fair, and it honestly felt like I was attending a global business conference from my laptop. This kind of access is a huge win, especially for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs who want to source at scale without leaving home. And this blew my mind: OEM or ODM services. I had no idea how it is to actually create your own brand on Made in China. Like, let's say I found a cool desk lamp, I could just add a supplier to slap my logo on it, or tweak the color, or even change the shade. That's what OEM means. And ODM, that's when they help you design something totally new from scratch. It's perfect for those of you trying to start a private level brand and make it look pro from day one. Speaking of pro VIP buyer services, yeah, there's level to this. If you are ordering in higher volumes or just want to take things more seriously, you can get a dedicated account manager who handles stuff for you, gives you a better suppliers matches, early access to deals, all that good stuff. It's like going from economy to business class in your sourcing journey. And I gotta mention the secure trading services, STS again, because this is what makes the whole thing feel safe. It's basically an escrow system. You pay the platform, they hold your money, and only release when you confirm confirm that everything good with your order. If not, you will get your money back. Means no more sending cash into the void and praying. Also, one word: certification. You know how importing stuff into the US or European can be a hassle. Some products need to be FDA certified or CE marked or follow ISO guidelines. Made in China makes this super simple. Suppliers show their certifications right there on their profile. So when I needed electronics accessories that were safe and legal for US customers, is not guesswork. And here's something I really wish I know earlier: MOQ filters. That's minimum order quantity for anyone new. Something suppliers on their platform demand 500 quantity or maybe 100 units up front. But on Made in China, I was able to find sellers who were cool with me ordering just 5 or 10 items to start. And that helped a lot during the testing phase, and my wallet was thankful too. Now, if you're someone who likes data, which I totally am, they also have market insights. I'm talking about trend reports, pricing index, and even demand forecast. It's like having a personal business analysis that's telling you what products hitting up before it even gets mainstream. So if you are trying to jump on trends earlier, this is your cheat code. And yes, multilingual support is a thing. English, Spanish, French, the site is go it all. Plus, more suppliers have staff who speak different English, so even if you are just starting out, you won't feel stuck trying to communicate your needs. It's international business friendly. So let me wrap this up for now. If you thought Made in China was just another place to buy bulk products, think again. Between RFQ, factory tours, trade show access, branding services, VIP help, secure payments, legal certificates, low MOQs, and live supply chats, this platform is honestly built for people like us. The underdogs, the solopreneurs, the dreamers who are trying to get one foot into the big league. You don't need to have $10,000 to invest. You don't need to fly to China. You don't need to speak Mandarin. All you need is the idea, and now you got a platform that actually helps you execute it. Also, let's talk about security. They have the system called STS, means Secure Trading Services. It gives you order tracking, payment protection, and even refund guarantees. It's like they wrap peace of mind into one neat lit package. Now let's talk about verified suppliers. This is huge. They don't just let anyone list product on the site. Suppliers go through verification and audits. You can even see detailed company profiles, certifications, and reviews. This adds a whole layer of trust you don't get elsewhere. Before this, I was always scared of getting scammed, but with madeinchina.com, I feel confident making purchases. I know who was I was dealing with. I could see factory information, product capabilities, and even previous transactions. And the product description, they are full on detail. Like you can see everything from material to dimensions to certifications. That kind of transparency is really great. But you don't stop there. The platform offers customized sourcing solutions. Let's say you have a super specific product in mind, or maybe you want to build your own product. Madeinchina.com helps you connect with manufacturer who can produce your product exactly how you want it. From customer logos to packaging, they got you. And if you are someone who likes staying ahead of the trends, they have also provided market insights. You can find trending products, industry news, and see what's hot right now. There's even a section I like to call Winning Product Central. Here's the kicker: a lot of creators out there are charging you $1,000 or more just to teach you how to find these hot items. But madeinchina.com gives you access to trending products for free. You can even see real-time product tracking, so you know exactly what's gaining traction. And for you content creator watching, yes, you can find products for your own brand. Whether you want to launch merch, sell gadgets, or create content using cool neck tech, you will find it here. And don't just take it from me. There are tons of user testimonials that show how madeinchina.com helps small business on a scale. Like a guy I follow on Twitter, he started dropshipping phone accessories using their platform. In just 6 months, he moved to branded bulk orders and now runs his own private label store. And another creator I knew uses to source affordable lighting gear for her TikTok studio. She saved hundreds compared to Amazon. I'll build her setup without compromising on quality. So yeah, Made in China is not just another sourcing site. It's like your business partner. So let me quickly recap for you. You get verified, trustworthy suppliers, small minimum orders, perfect for testing, real-time communication, not dead air DMs, secure payments and refunds guaranteed with STS, customized sourcing and private label options, trending product lists, and detailed supplier info. So if you are a small business owner, a creator, a dropshipper, or even someone just curious about starting online, this platform gives you a real chance to build something. I wish I found it earlier. It would have saved me so many failed orders, wasted hours, and disappointed customers. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know how hard it can be starting out. And if you have been struggling to find a reliable supplier, or you are tired of getting ghosted by middlemen, give madeinchina.com a try. Check out the link in the description. It's free to sign up, and who knows, this might be the breakthrough you are looking for. And if you want more tips on how to find winning products or grow your brand from zero, make sure to check out other videos on my channel. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions related to this video, don't forget to comment down below. So see you soon.